Welcome everyone to Nutz About Cars Weekend Budget Garage. And this episode is completely dedicated. It'll be a quick one, but it's completely dedicated to my 92 Chevrolet Corvette. I just got it back from paint. Well, it's been about 2 weeks now. And boy, she looks great in the driveway. So I'm really excited about it. As you guys know, I've shared that with you already. But the car absolutely exceeded expectations. The paint guy that I found, I have to thank Robin from Kenosha Towing for finding this guy for me. Rudy is just a great guy, great to work with, super fair. I think he was almost a little too fair. Gave me a really great price. I think he probably didn't realize how much work it actually needed to have happen on it. So I think if I were to go back with the same car, I think the price would probably go up a little bit. But nonetheless, he did a fantastic job, and he is definitely certified Ed's Weekend Budget Garage. So he is on my list of go-to guys, right next to Robin from Kenosha Towing. He's another Weekend Budget Garage certified provider. So yeah, we'll just call him that because I don't know how else to put it. But yeah, his Rudy was phenomenal. He did a great job. Even his attention to detail is pretty good. So when I took the car to him, I was really expecting, and I told him I'm good with a good 10-foot car because I drive my cars. They're not trailer queens or anything like that. Not that there's anything wrong with that. That's fine. You got a trophy piece like that, that is worthy of being trailered around. Then absolutely, I don't have that. I don't have that patience, I guess you can call it, to put a car on a trailer and tow it to car shows and stuff like that. I like to enjoy it. I just constantly want to relive my youth because it was amazing. So my youth was driving around a black Trans Am. I owned 3 of them through the years when I was younger, which I've shared before. And now I'm just driving a Corvette because it just happened to be the car I could get into. And I just love driving it around. So it was. So anyways, I'm getting off track. I said, hey, I'm good with a good 10-foot car. Looks great from 10 feet. I'm gonna bring it to like cars and coffee events and car shows. Because the interior's fairly clean. It needs a good scrubbing now, because now the outside of the car makes the inside look not so good. So now the inside has to match the outside, which is going to be a lot of work. And I think I got like a 5-foot car or maybe even a 3-foot car. I honestly, with I don't have a paint guy's eye, and I'm sure experts will tear it up, but I have to tell you, the car is deep. I mean, the color's deep, and you look at it, it almost looks like it's like liquid. I don't even know how to explain it, but you look down into the metal flake, and there's a lot of metal flake, and it looks like there's some depth to it. So anyways, I'm really happy. So I'm not going to hold you guys up any longer. It's a short video, maybe 7 or 8 minutes worth of some video and some nice pictures of the car that it got done. And if any of you guys have any questions, feedback, please, email me. Or I think there's the ability on YouTube to put comments in. And I did get a comment from our last video that I posted with Carmelo, and we're going to try harder. And I definitely accept the feedback, as long as it's respectful and, yeah, I'm good. So we had gotten some feedback last week about the dogs barking in the background and a little bit disorganized. Well, Carmelo and I already know that we need to get better at that. So, and we will. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you like the content. Like and subscribe. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Enjoy. Okay, now this is the crack that Rudy's gonna fix. There's a spot on the hood. It's your garage and it's your car until I pick it up, so say hi, Rudy. This is the man. This is the man. Best decision I ever made when I came to doing this stuff. Oh my god. This turned out a lot better than I even expected it was gonna look like. I'll do another walk around next time they come, so. Now, but if you think it's going to be better than this, God bless you. Oh yeah, I see a little bit, yeah. Oh my God. What do you think? I can't move this car outside. I used to... No, I mean when